born ready, Vicki. The Shannon Facebook Live for Birds on Quilting. You know we meet here every single Wednesday, 9:15. And we like to show some things that are new and some samples we've made. So why don't we go ahead and get started with the sample that's behind me. And that is a sample of a new fabric line we have called Harper's Field. That is a fabric line by Wyndham Fabrics. We have the entire line on the bolt, and we have fat quarter bundles. So Carlotta took a fat quarter bundle. She has plenty left over and made us this quilt. I'm going to step away for a minute. You can't really get the full effect of the quilt. The pattern is 5-Star by Donna Jordan. Everyone knows Jordan Fabrics. She has a ton of free patterns online. We love her patterns. And so we took the 5-Star quilt pattern and used fat quarters for this. So can you see the 5 stars, everyone? One in each corner and one in the middle. It reminds me of a trip around the world, but these stars really do stand out. And Carlotta wanted to make it kind of flowing with the colors, yellow to greens and blues. So these fabrics are available on the bolt now. They are on the floor and ready for you to pick out and make a project. If you're interested in the takeoffs, the amount of fabric to make this quilt, or if you're interested in working on this quilt with Carlotta, go ahead and give us a call. We are not going to kit it up because it literally is just some background fabric and the fat quarter bundles, but we can make arrangements to help you get it done if you need help. So this fat quarter bundle, do we know how many pieces this is, Vicki? We were going to count how many. Here,
I
Ruth,
did count.
Ruth, you count how many pieces. It's $89, but it's a significant number of pieces, and Ruth's going to give us that count just in a minute. So here's the pattern. We printed it off from Jordan Fabrics website, 5-Star quilt, and we've done it with the yellow and blue Harper's Field. I love this border that she put on it. Don't usually go for light colored borders, but I think that big print around the edge just really makes it beautiful. Some of the other things I was going to show you, we've got a couple new pre-cuts in. We've got one for autumn, which I know it just now feels like we're getting into autumn, but if you're using pre-cuts, you've got time to make an autumn quilt. My sister is a huge fan of sunflowers, so she goes goo-goo over all the sunflower prints, but we do have all of the pre-cuts. These are from Wilmington, and they are obviously the strip packs, the 10-inch squares, and the 5-inch squares, I believe, are out front as well. It's got some beautiful honeycomb in it, and greens to go with. Look, here's some flowers, the sunflower, of course the big print on front, but there's several of these small prints. They're really beautiful, and this is nice because this is a sunflower line that actually also comes in blue. It was one of the reasons why I love this line so much. 21 fat quarters in Harper's Field for $89, and you'll have plenty left over if you want to make the quilt bigger. Of course, if you make the quilt bigger, you're going to probably want to add borders, and that's why we also have the yardage for Harper's Field. So autumn sent us a new fat quarter bundle. We've got a new one out there with butterflies and birds. It's beautiful. We'll show it on another Facebook Live. Also in pre-cuts. And of course our biggest delivery this month, in the month of September, was our new cape. So this is 67 bolts, and it's commonly referred to as the August 2022 Cape Collection. So lots of bolts of fabric. I brought some of my favorites. Here is one of 5 different paisley colors. I know, I love the paisleys. Everybody loves the paisleys, and it's been a long time since he's put out paisley. So this is 5 new colors of the paisley. I love them. And a new color of guinea flower. I know it's been a while since he's done a new color of guinea flower too. I love this. And if you look, these 3 could easily go together, right? Because you have your big print, you have your wreath almost as a solid, and your smaller fine print. When you cut this up, this looks like a smaller print. Of course, it does have the big paisley, but this one's hellebores. That's a perennial flower favorite of a lot of people. And all of these This one comes in several different colors. There's some new stripe lines that are fun and dots that are fun. So come and take a look at all the new Kaffe. We'll help you color coordinate if you want to do a 3-yard quilt, for instance. This would be a great grouping, and we look forward to seeing you. That's all I've got for today. We've got a lot of stuff going on in the shop. Next week is our Handy Quilter event. If you have not already signed up, there's a couple spots left in each class. Again, we feed you lunch, we have a lot of fun, we've got this whole classroom filled with machines, and you literally get, you know, a maximum 2 people per machine, and it's a full-size stand-up Amora. So you get to play a lot. We've got 2 educators, you'll get plenty of one-on-one attention, and we cannot wait. After the Handy Quilter event, the first week in October, we have the One Stop Shop Hop in Shepherdsville. That is October, I believe, 14th and 15th. And that's a big event just south of Louisville. Everybody always goes to that event, and we're looking forward to it. Don't forget, your guilds are getting really active again now that summer's over. So don't forget and do sign up for your local guild, because they need your support. And it's a great way to meet people in our hobby. You know, part of quilting is the community around quilting and the community of friends we make as we get older. It's important to have people around us supporting us. So join your local guild and have a great week. We'll see you soon.
Thank you.